In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a dedicated assistant to write and refine a professional cover letter. Let's get started. I start by opening ChatGPT and pasting a prompt that sets the stage, asking the AI to help me write a strong, personalized cover letter that sounds like a real person wrote it. ChatGPT responds immediately, asking for specific details like the job title, company name, and my personal story to make the letter truly unique. Now, I'll provide those details, including my experience as a marketing coordinator and some of my key achievements, such as growing a social media presence from 5,000 to 42,000 followers. The AI then generates a full draft that highlights my background in digital marketing and content strategy, ensuring the tone remains professional and warm. To make the letter even more effective, I'll provide the actual job description from the employer and ask ChatGPT to rewrite the draft so it matches the key requirements perfectly. This results in a more tailored version that strategically uses keywords and focuses on how my specific skills in branding and analytics can benefit their specific team. For the final step, I'll ask for a professional polish to strengthen the opening line and remove any remaining filler phrases or cliches. ChatGPT delivers a final, high-quality cover letter and provides a helpful breakdown explaining exactly why it improved the structure and call to action. With this refined document, I now have a compelling and professional cover letter ready for my application. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.